Hey guys, it's me, Leslie, back with another video. Today, I'm going to show you how I got this look. It's kind of lame. I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, so if you want to see me go from ugly me to mediocre me, and keep on watching. So let's get on with the video. So we're going to begin with my ugly face. I hope you don't mind. It's a sad truth. I'm gonna start with coconut oil, but no, just kidding. We're starting with some sunscreen, and I'm putting it on my face and being all cute and stuff, you know. That's me. And I'm gonna look at the camera right now. I'm grabbing vitamin C oil and putting it on my lips, trying to be all fancy and stuff, but you know that's not true. Gotta have those plump lips. Now I'm grabbing the coconut oil and I'm coating my eyelashes with it to make them nice and silky and, you know, nice and fresh. Now I'm curling them, and yeah, that's it. Now I'm grabbing the Last Sensational Curvitude mascara and applying a layer, as you can see, you know. Now I'm grabbing this other mascara. It's the Unlimited Mascara by L'Oreal. And would you look at that? Now I'm adding another coat, and you know, it's kind of sexy, as you can see. Like, look at that. Now I did some YouTube magic. Now I'm adding some foundation, and I just put it everywhere I usually put the concealer, as you can see. And now I'm blending it out with a beauty blender and beating my face, you know, gotta beat that face. Now I'm grabbing the Anastasia contour and contouring my face, yeah. And blending it out with a beauty blender as well, you know, gotta get that Mexican in me, yeah. So gotta blend my nose, you know, gotta get a snatch nose. Now I'm doing my eyebrows off camera because ain't nobody trying to see me do my eyebrows, and as you can see, they look really ugly. Like, I'm kind of disappointed in myself because that's the ugliest eyebrows I've ever made, but you know, it's fine. Gotta add some mascara to fix it, you know, like my mascara is gonna fix my eyebrows. So I'm adding bottom lash mascara and I'm contouring again with powder contour, and now I'm adding blush to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm adding white powder to under my contour to accentuate my contour lines. And as we just saw in that sexy little clip, I'm going in with the Copper palette by Bare Minerals, and I'm going in with the color Truth all over my lid, and then I'm going in with Wild Child on my outer V, and then Bonfire on my little lid part, like a cut crease. Then I'm blending it all out, and then on my lower lash line going in with Truth again. And then I am taking off all the white powder with a big fluffy brush and grabbing this MAC Studio palette from TJ Maxx and just putting some highlight on my inner corner, you know, so that's my signature look, and putting some on my nose, you know, highlighting my nose, and then grabbing this, I don't even know what this is, but I'm putting highlight on with it, you know, because I'm very cool like that. And then since I'm so cool, I'm grabbing the Milan Make It Last matte setting spray and, you know, spraying my face, you know, gotta stay sexy all day, all night, you know, so sexy. Okay, bye, love you. Okay, so the look is done. This is it. So yeah, I don't know. These are the eyes. And this is how I look every day, except without the eyeshadow. Because lately I've gotten too lazy to do eyeshadow, but yeah, that's it. I hope you like the look. Give me a thumbs up if you think this is cute, and comment something, and subscribe for more from me. Okay, so good night, love you, bye.